Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner 2 and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. So let's get started. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can, or rather we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, you need to go to settings on your iPhone. So open the settings, find the Bluetooth option and open it, Bluetooth menu. And once you open the Bluetooth menu, on the list of my devices, you should see the Watch GT Runner 2. And next to it, there should be this info icon. Tap on it. And here on this page, you should see this option, Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. It's possible you're missing this option. And if you are, we need to close the settings, open the Huawei Health application on our iPhone. And here, you need to go to Devices, select your GT Runner from the list of devices, and then find the Notifications option. And if it's disabled, enable the notifications. And at some point, you will see the notifications or pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications. And once you see those pop-ups, allow all of them. And once you allow the permissions for the notifications, you can go back to settings, Bluetooth, and here in the info menu, you should see this option now. And this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. And once it is enabled, we can go back to the Huawei Health application, Devices, select our watch, and here tap on notifications. And here we can turn on or off the notifications by tapping on the switch. And as you can see, we have the list of applications and we can enable and disable the notifications for them. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for messages, and you receive the notification from messages on your iPhone, if it's enabled right here, that notification will be also on your watch. It will pop up on your watch. If it's disabled, it won't pop up on your watch. You will see it only on your iPhone. And if you want to see the notifications from different apps that are not on this list, you will need to enable this option called Other. This option enables notifications for other apps that are not on the list, basically, on your iPhone. So if you have some apps installed on your iPhone that are not on this list, and you enable the Other option, basically you will enable the notifications for them. Okay, and now we're gonna test it. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. We also got it on our watch. You can see this pop-up at the bottom of the screen. And if you open the notification panel, here we have our notification. So this is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.